In this video, I am going to be showing you a simple way to understand the product rule. So if you've been having difficulty understanding the product rule for finding derivatives, this video will help you achieve that. If you are new here, my name is Dr. Jide. I am your calculus tutor. I'm going to help you get the best scores on your AP calculus test. If you are new here, please subscribe, okay, so that you can watch videos like this consistently and improve your AP scores. And if you are returning, thank you so much for watching. All right, don't forget to like and share this video before the end of this video, okay? All right, so let's solve this question. F of x equals x to power 3 times x to power 4. All right, now the first thing is this. I want you to see this as a product of two things, okay? X to power 3 times x to power 4. All right, so let's call this 1 and 2, okay? So whenever you have a product, it's best to split it into two parts, all right? Now, the way you use the product rule is this. This is the product rule in its a simple explanation, all right? Take the derivative of the first, of 1, multiply it by 2, not the derivative of 2. Take the derivative of 1, multiply it by 2, then add it to the derivative of 2, rather, and multiply it by 1. That's basically what the product rule is. Split the expression into two expressions. Split the very big expression like this into two smaller expressions. Then use this formula. Find the derivative of one of the part of the expressions. Maybe you can just name it part 1 and 2. So find the derivative of 1, multiply it by 2, then add it to the derivative of 2 and multiply it by 1. You see, so first thing, let's find it. What's the derivative of 1? The derivative of x cubed. Now, from our explanation of power rule, the derivative of this is 3x squared. If you don't know how to do this, please watch the video on power rule to help you understand how we came about this. All right, then the derivative of x to power 4 is 4x cubed. Okay, so now let's use this formula now. So the derivative of 1, what's the derivative of 1? The derivative of 1 is 3x squared. So 3x squared multiplied by 2, x4, plus the derivative of 2. The derivative of 2 is what? 4x cubed, and multiplied by 1, x cubed. Okay? So now we can further simplify. If we use the laws of exponents, when you have two exponents with the same base, you just add the exponents together. So this becomes 3x2 plus 4 plus 4x3 plus 3. So this is 3x to the power of 6 plus 4x to the power of 6. So we can have that. This is the same thing as saying x to the power of 6, 3 plus 4, which is 7x to the power of 6. So the derivative of this product here is 7x to the power of 6. For the product rule, it's best you split the product into two separate parts, then utilize this formula here. The derivative of 1 multiplied by the expression 2 plus the derivative of 2 multiplied by expression 1, and then you solve. All right, let me know what you think. If you have any questions, please leave your questions in the comments, and I'll be there to read your comments and to answer any questions you may have. All right. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe. Also leave a share, and also comment whatever questions you may have. All right. So that other people can see this video and learn. Okay. And I will see you in the next video. In the next video, we are going to do the sum rule. Okay. The sum rule. All right. So make sure you stay tuned for the next video. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.